In today's Health Alert, Moderna says its investigational RSV vaccine is 84% effective at preventing symptoms in adults ages 16 and older. So joining us now, Dr. Partha Nandi. And what can you tell us about this trial data from Moderna?
Yeah, to me, it's pretty exciting stuff, right? Moderna's data comes from a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study. That's considered the gold standard. Roughly 37,000 folks, right, adults from 22 countries, including the United States, were enrolled. All participants were at least 60 years of age or older. Now, Moderna says its vaccine called mRNA 1345 was 83.7% effective at preventing lower respiratory tract disease. Now, this is defined as 2 or more symptoms, plus it was 82.4% effective at preventing lower respiratory tract disease. That's defined as 3 or more symptoms. So, what symptoms might a person suffer if they contract RSV? Well, you can develop a fever, coughing, wheezing, runny nose, sneezing, lack of appetite. Now, you may say, hey, none of these sound that bad. Why the heck do I need a vaccine? Well, the reality is that some older folks can develop a lung infection called a pneumonia. RSV can also worsen conditions like asthma, chronic obstructive lung pulmonary disease, or COPD, and congestive heart failure. These folks can end up very sick, need to be hospitalized. Every year, roughly 60 to 120,000 folks are hospitalized, and some of them unfortunately die. According to the CDC, between 6,000 and 10,000 people die annually because of RSV.
So this Moderna vaccine for RSV, a lot of folks at home, it may sound familiar because you said the mRNA, that's the exact same technology, the advancements that allow the COVID-19 vaccine. So there's a lot of conversation about, are there side effects? Are there issues with that? Are there issues with this?
And this is what people are going to ask for, right? The Moderna's RSV vaccine uses the same messenger RNA technology, mRNA technology, as their COVID shots, which we know can cause very rare cases of myocarditis, a type of heart inflammation. But there's been no safety concerns throughout the RSV clinical trial. According to Moderna, that includes myocarditis. Overall, the vaccine was found to be very safe. Common side effects that were found were pain at the injection site, which is very normal when you get a shot, and fatigue and headache as well. Moderna plans to publish its safety and efficacy data from the trial soon and submit the vaccine for FDA approval in the first half of 2023. In my opinion, this is great news because right now there's no approved RSV vaccine. Even though RSV cases may have peaked early, CDC data shows this, Brian, that hospitalization rates for RSV remain higher than some peaks from previous seasons. So please try to avoid getting sick by following some simple principles, right? Wash your hands often, cover your coughs and sneezes, and frequent cleaning touch surfaces. Other companies are also coming up with vaccines, so I think it's going to be great.
Is this RNA thing going to be kind of whenever we have an issue arise, it seems like the vaccines are going to come out quicker now?
It's just so much better, right? So you're getting specific, the efficacy is better. People worry about the safety. They look at the safety, but the efficacy is so much better. So the effectiveness has really gone up when you think about the usual other vaccines with vectors.
And the years that it takes for a vaccine to come out.
Exactly.
All right, Dr. Nandi,
My pleasure.
as always, thank you.